Hello students, in this lecture we are going to learn about the methods of capital account. So first it is necessary to understand what is capital. Capital is nothing but the amount invested by the businessman in business, right? Now this account can be maintained by two ways. First is the fixed capital method and next is the fluctuating capital method. Now what is the difference between these two? So the fixed capital method is the method in which there will be two accounts under this partners when we are talking about the partners capital account. So one account will be partners capital account which will always show the fixed balance, right? And the next will be partners current account in which all adjustments will be done, right? So fixed capital means where two different capital accounts are prepared. One is partners capital account and one is partners current account. In this fixed, as the name suggests, fixed capital method, so it means what? This partners capital account will always have the fixed balance, right? इसका एक ही बैलेंस रहेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि आप सारे एडजस्टमेंट्स जो करोगे वो किस में करोगे? करंट अकाउंट में करोगे. Now in some cases these balance can change. Now what are those? If any additional capital is introduced by the partner, or suppose if any capital is withdrawn by the partner. So only in these two cases this partner's capital account balance will be changed. Otherwise all other adjustments are done in the partner's current account. Now moreover, what is fluctuating capital? As the name suggests, fluctuating means जो हमेशा चेंज होता रहता है. तो फिक्स्ड कैपिटल में हमने दो अलग अलग बना दिया जिसमें कि पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट का बैलेंस हमेशा फिक्स्ड रहेगा, इसलिए इसका नाम है फिक्स्ड कैपिटल मेथड. और हम सारे एडजस्टमेंट करेंगे करंट अकाउंट में, इसलिए ये हमने दूसरा अकाउंट बना दिया. बट फ्लक्चुएटिंग कैपिटल मेथड क्या होता है? इसमें सिर्फ एक ही अकाउंट बनेगा एंड द नेम ऑफ दैट अकाउंट विल बी पार्टनर्स कैपिटल account. So here in this all adjustments will be done in this account only. All adjustments will be done in this account only. So every time when you do the adjustments in this account, the balance keeps on changing. That's why it is called as fluctuating capital method, right? So now we will understand first fixed capital method. Now as I told you, in fixed capital method we will prepare two separate accounts for the partners capital. One will be the partners capital account, one will be the partners current account. So first we will understand what is partners capital account. So always you have seen that in balance sheet capital is written in the liability side. So it's a liability for the business because it's the amount invested by the businessman. And in accounts, business and businessman, these are two different entity, right? Businessman और business ये दोनों अलग अलग चीज़ है, राइट? तो बिजनेस को बिजनेसमैन का जो ये कैपिटल उसने इन्वेस्ट किया है वो भी उसको लौटाना होगा जब कभी बिजनेस बंद होगा. इस सेंस में जो कैपिटल है that is what? Liability. Okay, so now partners capital account, it's a ledger account, so here it is debit side, here it is credit side. As it is in the liability, बैलेंस शीट में जो भी लाइबिलिटी साइड में होते हैं उनके क्रेडिट बैलेंस होते हैं, जो एसेट साइड में होते हैं उनके डेबिट बैलेंस होते हैं. तो इसका लाइबिलिटी में लिखा होता है, तो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज़ हैविंग द क्रेडिट बैलेंस. यूजुअली पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट हैव क्रेडिट ओपनिंग बैलेंसेस. तो यहाँ मैं लिखूँगी बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉट down, whatever is the amount, right? Whatever is the amount. So in this partners capital account, as it is having the opening credit balance, तो क्रेडिट साइड उसका प्लस साइड है, मतलब जो भी उसको मिलेगा वो है प्लस साइड में, जो भी उसका जाएगा दैट इज़ लेस होगा दैट विल कम इन दी डेबिट साइड. सो partners capital account or current account, always remember this, credit side is the plus side and debit side is the minus side. This is for the all liabilities I am talking, right? And for assets it is opposite, because assets have opening debit balances. तो उनके लिए डेबिट जो होता है वो प्लस होता है, क्रेडिट जो होता है वो माइनस होता है. अब whenever there is fixed capital method, I have prepared these two capital account, that is partners capital account and partners current account. So in this account only if new capital is introduced, right? Only if the new capital is introduced, that is cash and bank account debit to capital account. So only new capital, that is additional capital entry will be done, right? Suppose sometimes the also brings capital in the way of assets, so whether cash or bank or assets, so this both are nothing but the additional capital introduced, right? Only the entry will be done for these adjustment, or if it has been withdrawn. Withdrawn means जब cash बाहर गया, so that is to cash or bank account, so that is what capital withdrawn. तो जब पार्टनर ये दो चीज़ें करेगा, या तो एडिशनल कैपिटल लाएगा कैश में या एसेट में, तो उसकी एंट्री आएगी, या कैश और बैंक में से पैसा जा रहा है, कब जाएगा, जब वो विड्रॉ करेगा अपना कैपिटल, तभी ही एंट्री होगी. इफ़ इट इज़ द फिक्स्ड कैपिटल मेथड वेयर इन पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. सो इफ़ सपोज दीज एंट्रीज आर नॉट देयर, राइट, अगर सपोज ये वाली एंट्रीज नहीं हैं, कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है साल में ऐसा कि कोई एडिशनल कैपिटल आया या कुछ कैपिटल विड्रॉन हुआ है, तो ये जो बैलेंस है, दिस बैलेंस विल रिमेन एज इट इज़. सो हियर इट विल कम टू बैलेंस कैरी डाउन, राइट? So these balance will remain as it is. That's why it is called as fixed capital method. Now in this method we are also making other account, that is partners current account. Now partners current account, again usually it has credit balance, but it can have the debit balance also, right? So suppose this is my opening balance, by balance brought down. Now whatever are the adjustments in the problem, right? Suppose मैंने आपको पहले बोला ये प्लस साइड है कि माइनस, जो भी उसको मिल रहा है पार्टनर को, जैसे कि सैलरी, कमीशन, राइट, बाय सैलरी, बाय कमीशन, बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, अगर उसको उसके कैपिटल पे कोई इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा है बिजनेस से, जो भी चीज़ उसको मिल रही है, वॉट एवर इनकम ही इज़ अर्निंग, दैट विल कम इन दी क्रेडिट साइड. एंड वॉट एवर इज हिज, जो उसको पे करना है, राइट. सो जैसे कि ड्राइंग्स, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स, देखो ड्राइंग्स जो होता है दैट इज़ व्हाट अमाउंट विड्रॉन बाय द पार्टनर फॉर पर्सनल यूज़, तो एट लास्ट उसको वो पे ही करना है वो बिजनेस को, राइट. सो ड्राइंग्स, एनी इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स, दैट विल कम इन दी डेबिट साइड. सो दीज आर दी एडजस्टमेंट, ये आपको एडजस्टमेंट में दिया होगा. अब मैंने in my last video I have also told that whatever is the net profit or net loss, it will be distributed among the partner. Suppose it's profit, तो profit है तो partner के लिए क्या होगा, income होगा, that's why it will come here by P&L account. If it is profit in the while solving the problem, if you get profit, it will come here by P&L account. Suppose if there is loss in the problem, so it will come in debit side, right? As I told you, this is the minus side. Profit होगा तो credit side, loss होगा तो debit side, right? So all these adjustments will be done in this partner account. In which method? In fixed capital method, right? So that's why fixed capital method is the method in which two accounts are prepared separately, partners capital account and partners current account. Now after doing all this adjustment, whatever is the balance, right, this balance will be transferred to where, balance sheet. Okay, so this is the fixed capital method. So now we will see about the fluctuating capital method. As I told you, in fluctuating capital method we will prepare a single account, right? इसीलिए इसका नाम है fluctuating, because we will write the opening balances also here, capital introduced, capital withdrawn, any adjustment, everything will be done in this one single account. That's why it is called as fluctuating capital method. So see here, first I will write the opening balance, right? Whatever is the opening balance, that will come in the credit side by default. Now after this, if any additional capital is introduced, so by cash in bank account, or by, suppose if his partner is bringing the assets, so by assets account, right? And moreover if he is withdrawing, so यहाँ पे डेबिट बैलेंसेस भी हो सकता है ओपनिंग, राइट? तो अगर डेबिट बैलेंस होगा तो डेबिट में आएगा. देन उसके बाद में इफ़ ही इज़ विड्रॉविंग एनीथिंग, सो टू कैश और बैंक अकाउंट कैपिटल, दैट इज इफ ही इज़ विड्रॉइंग द कैपिटल, राइट? सो दीज आर दी, ये हमने फिक्स्ड कैपिटल मेथड में कैपिटल अकाउंट में सिर्फ इतना ही एडजस्टमेंट किया था, राइट? सो इन दिस फ्लक्चुएटिंग नाउ वी विल डू ऑल अदर एडजस्टमेंट्स, लाइक if उसको salary, as I told you, this is the plus side, this is the minus side. So in this plus side, whatever he is getting from the business or whatever is his income, like by salary, by commission, by interest on capital, all this will be written in this side, right? Now profit and loss account, whatever profit he will earn, even that will be written in this side. And what will come in the debit side? To drawings, to interest on drawings, as well as to profit and loss account if there is loss, right? So it will be recorded like this. In the debit side, all what has to be paid, and in credit side, what he is earning, that is his income, right? So every adjustment, as well as capital adjustment, as well as the other adjustments, that will be done in the single account, and that's why every time the balance of this capital account will change. That's why it is called as fluctuating capital method. After doing all the adjustments, these accounts will be closed and you will get a balance. So that will be by balance carried down. So whatever is the balance, this will be transferred to the balance sheet liabilities side. Okay, so this is how we prepare the fluctuating capital method. सारे adjustments इधर ही होंगे. Amount will change of this balance of this partner's capital account will always change. So that is fluctuating, and the fixed, this account will show fixed amount, and moreover the adjustment will be done in the current account. So this is the basic difference between the fixed capital method as well as the fluctuating capital method. Thank you.